In this video, I'm going to be explaining how I do learn web development if I have to start all over again. So, I'm a self-taught developer. I started learning how to code on my 16th, lately on my 16th, yeah, and I was able to learn CSS, HTML in 1 month. Honestly, in 1 month, I learned CSS, HTML, but the main issue with me is I am afraid of JavaScript. I don't know why, but I feel like JavaScript has not like a hardest thing ever in my life. I never even try to learn it because I can't even understand the script. So I then stopped at CSS JavaScript. I started using AI. AI helps me. So create when I create my layout, navigation bars, then I'll use AI. I use AI. AI will iterate JavaScript for me on it, but it was working. Honestly, it was going perfect. But to be honest with you, I was learning nothing because if AI can code for you, but you cannot, if let me say, if there is a mistake on it, you cannot you cannot correct the mistake. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. You cannot correct the mistake. So I was using AI too much, and I wish someone told me that I should never use AI. That I should make sure I finish learning, and then I should use AI as my assistant, not my main tools. So on a fateful day, I get stuck. I get stuck when I was building one website. This is a online earning platform. So I was building this website and I get stuck. So I've not connected my Firebase on it. So I was using local storage. So I now get stuck. Even AI gets stuck. This is the most problem that I had. So this thing took me over. AI was generating, repeating the code, generating, repeating the code, but the same issue was happening. This thing took me over 7 days. I haven't finished that particular place. AI was doing that mistake continuously, and I was like, I thought AI is perfect, but that's when I understood that I need to start learning JavaScript. So I started learning JavaScript. I started from the scratch, from very scratch. Started learning JavaScript, and to be honest with you, JavaScript, I didn't waste much time on it. What I think is too difficult for me was not difficult at all. Like right now, JavaScript is very sweet to me. Honestly, it's very sweet. So that issue that I was having after learning JavaScript, under the 2 weeks of me learning JavaScript, I was able to fix that issue. And can I tell you that within three 3 months, I've already deployed a real earning platform that have already made me some couple of dollars. So if I'm starting to learn code all over again, I will make sure I learn from scratch. I will make sure I never use AI. I will make sure I will only use AI if I have understand how coding works, how to program. That's when I can use AI. So it will make my work simple, but not to make AI to replace my work totally. So my name is Favor, a software developer from Nigeria. You can do it to recommend, or you can message me on my email and we can collaborate. Yes, I'm free. If you want to collaboration, I am free. And if you are learning software, you're learning web development, this channel is for you. I'm going to be sharing all my journeys, how I wish and how I do learn, and how my journey is going. So, and I'll be sharing all my projects that I've already deployed online. So right now I have a lot of projects online, and I have projects on website that is generating income for me. So I would like you to subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell. Please don't forget to thumbs up, please, and I will see you next time. Bye.